Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about controlling. Controlling is the last activity of any managerial process. Okay. So if you want to define a controlling, so what is controlling? So controlling, you can say it is a continuous supervision of activities and then evaluating the results, and then we are find out that all results are as per the standards or not, and if there is any deviation we have to take a corrective steps. So what is the meaning of controlling? So it is a constant supervision of activities, evaluation of results and achievement, and if there is any deviation found, corrective steps should be taken. Controlling is done at every level of management. Okay, so it is a progress to check our work, that is it going as per the planning or not. Now we will see the characteristics of controlling. The first one, it is related to planning. How it is related to planning? So we can say that the controlling and the planning both side of the coin. You can say two sides of the coin. How? Because we are doing planning and to implement that planning effectively, there should be controlling must. So we need controlling to implement planning properly. We can find out as they are working as per the standard or not. So controlling ensures the activities are going as per the standards or not. Now second, it is a function of every level of management. We cannot say that the controlling is happening at only bottom level where workers are working, but it is functioning at all the level, top, bottom, middle, all level we need to control, because as information passes from top to bottom, top to middle, middle to bottom. So hence and functions each and every level is working, so controlling is needed at every level of management. Third one is it is a continuous process. How it is a continuous process? ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आपने काम कर लिया, लास्ट आपने रिजल्ट चेक कर लिया और हो गया. It cannot be done. But from starting to bottom, each and every activity should be supervised continuously, so that is there any deviation found, you can change it immediately and आप उससे बड़ा लॉस होने से बचा सकते हो. Okay, next is last activity. You can say that management is a combination of planning, organizing, staffing. So in that way it is the last activity of management. Next is it is related to future. See, by using the controlling we can find out the deviations and errors, that what mistakes we had done. So using that we can better our future. We are making our future better, because by controlling we are find out that which errors has been done previously. So we will focus on that कि next time we will not repeat our mistake. Next, it is a constructive activity. How it is a constructive activity? See, controlling is not bad. If supervisors are controlling employees, so it is not bad, because they are ensuring that they are working as per the standards or not, and if it is a mistake of employees, it can be corrected at a particular time. So it is a constructive, it builds the more effectively, that it gives a proper knowledge that we have to do this and we don't have to do this, किससे बेनिफिट होगा, किससे बेनिफिट नहीं होगा. So it is a constructive activity. Next, it is an internal process. See, controlling can be done internally in the organization, where in the production sector, in a manufacturing, in a financial, with the employees, each and everything which are internally connected in the organization. But we cannot do controlling on the external factors like government policies. Okay, so those are our outsider factors, we cannot control them. Next is it a people oriented. Organization run by the people at top level, middle level, bottom level. So workers are working and they are also observed by the people only, supervisor working them, so it is a people oriented, person oriented. Okay, next is the formal and informal. Controlling can be done formally and informally. If you are talking in an organization, so priorly it is starting with the formal way. For an example, if someone is not coming, for an example, आप लोग स्कूल नहीं आते तो पहले हम आपको एक बार वार्निंग, 2 बार वार्निंग दे दे, देन आपके ऊपर आपके पेरेंट्स को कॉल जाएगा. सो दैट शुड बी प्रोसीजर विच इज फॉलोड फॉर्मली, दैट इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. ओके, एंड as a relationship builds, it goes out towards the informal process, and is informal makes it more effective.